Hi, I'm Chris Udy with Mr. IIoT, and today we're going to be talking about the Sharc. What is the Sharc? The Sharc is a simple hardware adapter for remote communications. We wanted to create a simple plug-and-play device to capture sensor data or I/O. Why did we create the Sharc? Working with different machines, legacy machines, newer machines, we came to find that sometimes when we would try to get a part count or something similar, sometimes operators didn't like us touching their machines, or the controls guys didn't want us in their machines. So we really wanted to have our own way and our own sandbox to capture the data that we needed, that the customer was asking for. For example, one of our implementations, we implemented some banner hardware, great hardware, nothing bad to say about it other than it was just complex to connect all the dots and get the data into a dashboard. It was just way too difficult, more difficult than we thought it needed to be. We really wanted to enable IoT for Industry 4.0. And the way that we went about doing that was coming up with our own device. We talked with an electrical engineer that we worked with for some time to create our first Sharc device, our very first prototype. With the input that we gave him and the requirements, he went a little off and he created this enormous thing that we didn't feel really met the needs that we wanted to do. I called this the battleship instead of torpedo, which is the original project name of the Sharc, was Project Torpedo. So it was meant to be a torpedo in design and form factor. And we ended up with this gigantic thing. Our first Sharc, we had to do some modifications, add some resistors after we realized there were a couple of issues, working with our electrical engineer, of course. Our second Sharc, third Sharc, and our fourth Sharc. As we progressed, we realized there were more and more modifications that we needed as we tested more and more. Our current Sharc, we 3D print the housing, we put it together in-house, we 3D print the button, we 3D print the end cap and the full enclosure, and currently we have a hole in the enclosure to switch between the different modes supported by the Sharc: discrete, I/O, and analog. Currently, we only have a few working Sharcs in our office here and a few at our beta customers. We have 50 Sharcs that are on their way to our location, and we will be putting together and testing and selling to the public. Thanks, like and subscribe to learn more.